Good afternoon everyone. Today I like Solana and my group Muskan, Sanjay, Sumit and Jayan. We all are going to tell you our experience about industrial business. So on the first day we went to STP. Firstly I want to tell you that how good the experience was. We learned about how practically things work beyond textbooks, and also we got to know how professional IT companies work and what is the workflows of their companies. Then we went to STPI, Software Technology Park of India. There we got to know how it is a government organization, how it helps IT sectors. We got to know how they help IT sectors give them their space, also provide them internet, data centers and technical facilities. We also got to know that they also provide funds to new startups and give them funds and mentorships where they can grow their products. And they also provide training and internship programs.
We had two seminars that day. In the first seminar, we met the head of NSE, National Stock Exchange, where he introduced us the 50-30-20 rule, where 50 means the needs, 20 means the savings, and 30 means the wants. And we also asked the question where we should start investing. So he answered, we should visit the official website of SEBI, where we get the officials, which we can get contact numbers and we can start investing. And in the second seminar, we got the knowledge about the American-based company which was working in a STPI as a remote workers, and they are working on a C# language on a project called on a software called Land Acquisition.
Then second day we went Valentech company. Valentech company is a US-based company. It has a head office situated at the USA, and they have two branches in Asia. First is a Bhopal and second is a Malaysia, and they are working on a low code and using a output system using for it is a very fast, easy to maintain. It is a used for a build app, websites and application software. It is a very easy for beginners.
During our visit to IT Park, we learned about the modern technologies and how companies are using digital tools to work smarter and faster. One of the most interesting topics we learned like low-code development. A low-code development is a new way of creating applications with very little manual coding. Instead of writing long programs, developers can use by drag and drop the tools.
So in the conclusion, we conclude that the visit gives us more information about the work culture, like the work is done in the company, as Sanjay said, the financial investment advice. So with that, the counselor told us that everyone has a saving account, but not all the persons shouldn't take it account. So we learned that the important part of the life is saving, because earn money is important, but saving is also important. After that, the land acquisition software like GFCG, Sanjay said, this is important because their office is Malaysia in the out of the world. After that, Muskan and Sumit also said about the low-code system is very important for the future, because the code is very high and this takes many time. So with low-code system, the work done in few hours or in a minute. So this is one thing. In the conclusion that we learn more things about the work culture and explore the office work, and like I said about the visited, this is very good for us, and we had a lot of fun in the visit.
So overall experience was great.
Thank you.
So overall experience was great.
Thank you.